Mike, innovative door. Uh-oh. Got a couple of sections here discombobulated. There's some styrofoam right there. There's all the styles. Cable. Opener. Yeah. We're going to need a couple new sections here probably. Track is okay. Nothing wrong with the track. We'll reuse the track. Nothing wrong with the spring. Cable's fine. I'd probably have this door down in like 15 minutes. Emergency repairs here by Innovative Garage Door all the time, 24 hours a day. 630-271-9343. Visit us online, www.innovativegaragedoor.com, or in person at 650 Ogden and Downers, your one-stop emergency garage door shop. Thanks for watching our video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord.